when someone comes and asks us with microphones, and perhaps, as you said, with a badge around, or without a badge, and in the midst of journalists, I can't say who's a journalist, accredited or not. And I can't say the others, please move out. One. Second, it could be an intern, it could be someone aspiring to be into your field. You don't know. Thirdly, it could be also, today, anybody has a mobile phone. And anybody is becoming what we call a photojournalist, a mobile journalist. And I think instead of getting worried about them, I think we need to bring them into the stream so that they can either follow the principles of journalism, or you have to identify those people sometimes who are being set up. It could be someone who's set up to come with a particular narrative, either to attack the person who's going to speak, or perhaps support the person who's speaking. It could be backed by someone who wants that narrative, some big financier who wants that view, or who wants that view to be not taken up or to be diverted. So you see, it's many factors which come in play, but I think a judicious way of thinking of it would be, and the more we try to keep them out, the more they will come. So I think it is better to start working with them to see how they're working, their mindset are working. And sometimes you don't know who pays them to come over there. That's a very also dangerous thing.